Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to do membership testing in tuples. We have a tuple called fruits. It has three elements: apple, banana, and cherry. And in the output, we are printing using print function to print the result for us. We want to check to see if apple exists in this tuple, and we want to check also to check and see if grape is not existing in this tuple. Okay, to do that we need to use in and not in function. Here I'm having the print function. There are two parts in the print function. This is the first part and this is the second part, and these two parts are separated by a comma. First, I'm showing this message: is apple in the tuple? And then in the second part, I'm typing down the apple string and I'm using the in keyword and then the fruits, which is the name of my tuple. So basically, using this line, I'm telling to the compiler to check if this apple is a member of fruit tuple for me or not. So it is going to return the value either true or false. In this case, we expect to see the value true in the output. Why? Because apple is a member of this tuple called fruits. Okay. And secondly, I'm having this message being shown in the output first: is grape not in the tuple? We are saying the grape is not in the tuple. Am I right? Yes, you are right. But when we want to type down not in the tuple, we are using not in keyword and then the name of the tuple. So we expect also to see the result to be true, because indeed grape is not in this tuple for us. So when I run the code, we see is apple in the tuple, this message, and the answer is true because apple is indeed in the tuple. This is the first element. And then we are showing this message in the output: is grape not in the tuple? So we are using this syntax: grape not in fruits, the name of our tuple. And we see that grape is not one of the elements. And the answer is true. This statement is true. Grape is not in the tuple. So this is how we can use membership testing using in and not in keywords in Python. Thank you for watching.